Hello friends, my name is Ramasood. Today we'll discuss about a topic defect repair. Friend, this is topic which we have taken from PMBOK Project Management Body of Knowledge. This is a very important topic. If you are a student of project management and studying project management in university, or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so again this is a very important topic and you will see this topic in the exam. At least 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there in the exam in which your concept related to defect repair will be judged. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a project manager, so again this is very important that you must have to know that what is defect repair and how to use it in the during the project implementation. So friend, let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start. Defect repair. Friend, see, this is a first of all, this is mainly a topic related to project management. Whenever we are implementing projects, we must have to know that what is defect repair. First of all, we have to understand, we have to start from project. Actually, what is project? See friend, project as per the definition of PMBOK, project is a temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it is temporary and it gives you a unique output, product or service. That is called as the definition of project. For example, just take an example. You are implementing a mobile application through which customers can do the fund transfer or IBFT. So this is a project. You are building a house. This is a project. You are building a flyover. This is a project. So all these example of the are the example of project. Now friend, as a project manager, you are managing any project. So the defect repair refers primarily to the point in the project life cycle at which the project leader, project management team or the individual who has been assigned the responsibility of the specific component in question has gone on to identify a specific defect within a project component and is now at this point acting to correct the situation through either the repair or replacement of the component. Friend, this was only just a definition. See, let's just take an example here. Take an example like you are implementing a project of e-commerce solution for ABC customer, and you have ordered like 3 servers, one for production, one for testing, and one for quality assurance, and one for UAT. Okay, and there were 3 servers. So at some point of time, when you were implementing the projects, you have noticed, and after some identification, you have been notified that there is some defect in the hardware server of production. Like for it doesn't gone and on production yet. However, there is some defect in the hardware. For example, it is the memory is not functioning properly. For example, this is a defect in the hardware. So what you will do by using the defect repair concept, first of all you will try to replace the component. Like for example, if there is any problem with the RAM, so you will try to repair the RAM. You will try that the existing RAM should be repaired and you don't need to go for the replacement. However, if there is any problem in the hardware, like RAM is not working, and after you have identified that after a proper testing, after proper identification, the RAM cannot be repaired, so you will go for the replacement option here. So first of all, we must have to go for the repair option. If repair is not working, then we will go for the replacement option. So this is the called as the concept of defect repair. Defect repair means, friend, that for example, whatever the project is going on, if there is any issue in any component, for example, just take an example we have already taken. Like for example, the hardware was not functioning properly. There was some issue with the RAM. So if the RAM is not working properly in the hardware, so you will try first for to repair it. Like from any technician, you will try that the repair RAM should be accessible, RAM should functioning properly. If after judgment of technician that the RAM cannot be repaired, so then you will go for the replacement. So that is called as the concept of defect repair. If you just see the term defect repair means, friend, if there is any issue, if there is any defect in the project component, so you will first of all you will try to repair it. If it is still not working, if it is not possible to repair it, then you will go for the replacement. So friend, the process of defect repair has twofold. First of all, the repairing option is there. If repairing is possible, then you will go for the repairing. If after some analysis and your technician says that the repairing is not possible, then you will go for the replacement option. First of all, see that if you can repair the option, so it is the preferable option. Why? Because see, if you go for the replacement, it will definitely be expensive and time taking as well. So as a project manager, friend, first of all your attempt should be to repair the option, okay, because repair will need less money, and also it takes less time as well. So in terms of cost, in terms of time, repair option is better. So first priority is that you will go for repair. The second option is that if repair is not possible, then you will go for replacement. And remember that replacement option should be your second option. Why? Because the replacement need time. For replacement, obviously you will order the component, you will get it from the vendor, so all those things need time, obviously. Okay, first time is the one factor. Second thing, expensive. Like obviously if you are replacing the existing component with the new component, so obviously it needs money as well. So all those factors are there which you must have to consider when you are going for defect repair strategy. When a determination is made as to whether the component should be repaired or replaced, a recommendation typically must be presented in writing to either the project team or the financially responsible party. Second, friend, is that for example you are taking a decision for repairing and you are taking a decision of replacement. All those things should be made in writing. Made in writing means like some on some letterhead you must have to write it clearly, document it properly, that you are going for repairment, or are going to repair the component, or you are going to replace the component. Because you must have to consider, you must have to present that document to your financial committee, approval authority, or whatever the approval authority is there, you must have to present it there. So this is very very important, that all those things finding related to either you are going for repair the component or either you are going to replace the component, all those things should be written properly on a document. Here just want to give you a very simple example. Like for example, you are building just you are building a house. Just take an example. You are building a house, and after preliminary examination you found in the bathroom that the taps of hot and cold water are not working properly, and there are some issue. So you should ask your plumber to fix the plumbing. This is a defect repair. Like the taps of hot and cold water were not working properly, like they are reversing, the hot water is coming in the cold tap and cold water is coming in the hot tap, etc. So there is some malfunctioning in the taps of hot and cold water, and you need to ask your plumber that he will definitely come, he will do some fixation. So all those things are related to an example of defect repair. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.